How to report a damaged item in Lululemon. Hi everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial you can follow up for that. So let's just dive right into the video. So if you have received a damaged item from Lululemon, you can report it or return it using these steps. So we can head over and go to lululemon.com for that and basically go to the order section. So look out for your profile in the top right and look out for purchase history here and open it up, and that will open up the page. And here we can look out for our order that we have our purchase history in the section. So we can just go over and start up an online return from here. If you do not find that option here, what we can do is we can basically look out for Lululemon return page and hit enter. And this is the page right here where we can provide in. So we can go to the return policy and click on this option called start a return. And select the item that we would like to return, the item that has arrived damaged. After that, you can choose the option and follow the instructions to get the return level or refund options. And you can also take the damaged item to a Lululemon store with the item, proof of purchase, receipt or order confirmation, and the staff should help you with the return, exchange, or refund. And that's it. If you still have issue, you can directly contact their customer support under their quality promise, and they will review the issue and decide on repair, exchange, or another solution. You can take clear photos of the damage before contacting support. It helps speed up the claim. And that is it, everybody. That's how you basically do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.